Gold and silver both getting the price rejections at the higher levels at around 1858-60 zone for gold and 2250 for silver. I told you these two levels you should watch out for, and precisely it is reversed from these two levels and now trading with a good drop again below the critical resistance at around 2220 and 1845. These two levels you should watch out for today. Now what is going to happen today, which entries we can take, where to enter, where to exit, and the trade which we can be profitable for us, we are going to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do watch till the end. First we look into gold followed with silver, and yes, the next analysis on gold will be up just before the US cash session, so do watch that also. Let's start the day with gold first, and on the hourly charts for gold you can find that it is trying to trade bearish. There is a clear resistance here at 1842 1843 zone, and as I am repeating since yesterday and last week also, 1845 you should watch out for. Below 1845 we can see a certain drop in gold, and that is what precisely is happening. It is trying to trade in this fashion. We may see further bigger candles in gold, and yes, one can remain short till the time it trades below 1842, rather I will say 1844. Till the time it trades below 1844 one can remain short in gold. One can expect it to hit 1836, 1830 and 1824 levels. We'll see into more details. The levels I'll give you at the end. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is near to bottom. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is also near to bottom, or it is oversold here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, similar is the story. It is trying to create lower lows, and possibly for a reversal it needs to get a strong green candle for it to break past the resistance and trade in green. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold. See, most of the indicators in gold are now oversold. The MACD is wide divergent and it is still bearish. The RSI is oversold too. So the indicators on the near term time frames are mostly oversold, and hence a little retracement or a little consolidation in this zone can be expected. Look at the 3-hour charts. See, it has created these steps, a smaller, very thin body, a little bigger body, and now it is trying to take a decisive move. How big this candle could be? This candle could be easily of same size, so probably it may try to achieve 1836 1832 levels before it looks forward to any further consolidation in this zone. The directional movement is bearish on the 3-hour charts. Remember, it is oversold here, and if you look at the MACD, this is also wide divergent and bearish, and the RSI is near to bottom here on the 3-hour charts as well. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, the 4-hour charts are also indicative. It tried to give a reversal candle but failing to do so because it opened below this candle, and now trying to give you lower lows also. Remember, it is beginning. See, whenever you see such candle, it is just beginning of the current trend or resumption of the current trend which it is trying to do, and hence these two candles are negated. Now it is trying to give you the continuation of these candles, and that is why I say one can remain short on gold today till the time it remains below 1844. Only once it trades above 1844, rather I will say on the 4-hour charts at 1845, one can go long for 1852, 55 and 58 levels, else it will continue to trade in red here. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is also wide and divergent, and it is strongly bearish. The RSI is also near to oversold levels. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts the candle has started to take the shape here. So also look at this, it is started precisely from the 1842 levels and it is trying to trade with a drop. I will be watchful of this. See, it has got its support at 1836, it has got its lower end of this channel at 1836. I'll be watchful of 1836 levels. Once it breaks past this, see here it has got the support of the channel, it has got the support of this previous resistances also. So possibly this zone at 1835-36 will be a very strong resistance for gold to break past by. Once it drops below this, we will be looking forward to 1830, and then below that we may see a sharper drop which will try to take it till towards 1824-20 level. See what it is trying to do is see, it has achieved the highs there. Here it is consolidated, lower highs, retracement, higher highs, retracement. So how far this could go? See, it can, if even if it has to retrace, it may continue till towards 1824.25 and continue in this channel. So I'll be watchful of this, how it behaves at around 1825, 1825.30 zone. If it breaks past this any point of time this week, next week, we can see a sharper correction in gold further onwards. So take your positions accordingly, take profitably, do not go long until it is below 1844, rather I will say 1845 itself. Till the time it is below 1845, one can remain sure the target is 1836-35 zone, first target. Below 1835-36 we will be looking forward to 1830, then 1824 levels. These three levels, precisely 1824-25 zone, is going to give it a very strong support on the downside. I think it may trade with that as support. It can try to reverse again on the upside. So be cautious, be careful. Do not go long until 1845 levels, and yes, one can remain short below 1845 levels. But yes, 1835-36 is definitely a stronger support. So take your positions accordingly. Now let me give you the trades on silver. This is the hourly chart for silver, and see clearly silver is trying to break out. Now the resistance at 2210 is very strong. Only if it breaks past 2210 one can expect that it is going to rise, else it is again trying to resume the downtrend. On the downside, 2190 is the support level which I will be watchful of. See, previously it is consolidated here at 2190. Also this price gap, this liquidity gap, it is completely covered here till 2190 levels. So this is done. This was the consolidation levels previously yesterday which we have seen. I told you here that it is going to look forward to a rise. Precisely that has happened. Now I will be looking forward to this zone at 2190 levels. If it drops below 2190, there is going to be a sharper correction in silver prices. So I will be watchful of that. Similarly, 2210 one should be watchful of. Do not trade, go long till it is below 2210. Do not go short until it is above 2190. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is near to bottom. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish. The RSI is near to bottom here. So mixed indication. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, it has formed a nice flow out there. The support here at 2195-97 levels is strong. 100 period moving average. Below that it may get a support again at 2190. Once it breaks that, then see this zone here at 2180 again going to provide a support, and once it breaks below this, we are going to look forward to a sharper correction in silver if it continues to trade below 2180 levels. The direction movement has just crossed over. The stochastic is oversold, and if you look at the MACD is also wide divergent and bearish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is also looking down. Now if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, it is trying to create a flow out there. One can remain short only once it is below 2190. That is very clear. This is a very strong resistance. Then 2180 will come into picture, and below that we may see it completing this journey till towards 2160, 2140 levels. On the upside, breaking 2210, you can go long for 2220, which is a stronger resistance, and beyond that it should be considered as a reversal for 2240, 2250 and 2260 levels. Yes, if you look at the 3-hour charts, direction movement is bullish here, trying to converge, and the RSI here, the stochastic here is oversold. That is another observation. MACD is wide and divergent, it is still bearish. And if you look at the RSI here is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, similarly it is trying to create a bearish formation. If you connect the dots here, there is going to be a support at 2190 for sure. Stronger support exists there. Once it breaks past this, one can expect 2180 levels, and below that we may see a good drop which will try to take it towards 2150 and below levels. Similar observation across the charts gives homogeneity and gives the determination or confirms entries for us. Directional movement is bullish still. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is wide divergent and it is still bearish. This is just third candle post the crossover. The RSI is sloping downwards. See, I am getting contradictory signals here from MACD and stochastic. The stochastic is oversold, while the MACD has just crossed over in whether be it gold or whether be it silver. In most of the time frames, the MACD has just crossed over and it is still divergent, indicating that there is bearishness. However, stochastic oversold means a probable retracement can be expected, but a minor retracement, that is what it appears to be. Now coming back to the daily candle here. On the daily charts, you can see silver till now has given higher lows here. Now That is what also it gives me a confirmation that 2190 is definitely going to be a stronger support for silver. Also, if it breaks past 2210 US, you can go long and you can expect it to rise again till towards 2220, 2240, 50, 60 zone. So take your it is trying to form a tail out there. Later in the day it may see a rise there. Now, if you look at the directional movement, it is still bullish. The stochastic is comfortable. The MACD is still in green and it is still bullish. It is divergent. It is in bullish zone. RSI trading flat. Considering this, go long on silver about 2210. Target 2220, 2240, 2250 and 2260 levels. Beyond that, it will fly. On the downside, go short on silver only at 2190 levels. Once it is below 2190, then 2180 first and stronger support. Once it is below 2180, we may see a sharper drop. So trade accordingly. Do not trade between 2190 and 2210 levels. And yes, if you want to gain the same expertise, join my mentorship batch. The 11th batch is starting on 13th of June. Be a part of it, and definitely you can be a proficient and efficient trader. Join my free Telegram channel and reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My Telegram ID and email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.